Guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have another celeb inspired look. This time I'm doing American singer Etta James. And if you have no idea who she is, hey, I'm with ya. Like, I didn't know who she was until I watched this one Dr. Phil episode. The situation was this one girl who thinks she was like a reincarnated version of Etta James and all that. But anyways, Etta James say, look at it. Like I said, a singer, but like she performed like various genres like the blues, R&B, soul, rock and roll, jazz, and gospel. So she's one of those singers. And before I get into makeup, feel free to comment below your favorite Etta James song, because I can really I didn't mean to hear maybe a couple of her songs, see which ones are my favorite, but I forgot. But if you have a favorite Etta James song, comment it down below, and let's get right into the makeup. I couldn't find my Hard Candy primer because I thought I lost it, but I ended up finding it. But anyways, I'm using these ones from LA Colors I picked up a while ago from the dollar store, and I'm using two of them to show you guys. One of them, the white one, I'm currently applying all over my face, helps minimizes pores, and the green one minimizes redness, which I kind of sort of have for my acne. Time for some foundation. I'm using this one from Maybelline. It's my favorite foundation. The Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation is shade 102 Fair Porcelain. I'm just applying it all over my face. Next, I'll apply some concealer under my eyes and also around some blemishes, actually around the spots where I can still see little blemishes I still have. Now I'm setting the makeup with some translucent powder. For the eyes, it looked like Etta had some black on the lids and a dramatic looking like a wing at the end, which looks totally something I would never wear, but Etta somehow rocks it. And this cream eyeliner is kind of old. I probably should not be using this on my eyes, but whatever. And I did go back in with a Q-tip just to clean up a little bit. And I'm also using an angled brush to create the little dramatic wing that she has. And I took this matte black eyeshadow from the LA Colors Matte Aroma palette to lock in the cream eyeshadow, but any matte black eyeshadow will do. With a black pencil liner, I'm using this to line my bottom waterline because I noticed that Etta has a little bit of like eyeliner on her bottom waterline. I also added this to the tight line as well. Using this medium contour shade, I'm using it to widen my nostrils a little and also kind of slim down the nose bridge and also the tip I think I did to make my nose a little bit like Etta's.
Gimme, 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 gimme that swing, gimme that swing, gimme that swing, gimme, 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 gimme that swing, gimme that swing, gimme that swing, gimme, 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 gimme that swing, gimme that swing, gimme that swing, gimme, 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 gimme that swing, gimme that swing, gimme that swing. My heart is giving you love.
To complete the nose contour illusions, I'm applying this single eyeshadow from Wet n Wild to highlight my nose. And also created a little beauty mark with this black eyeliner pencil. Now for brows, I'm using this e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe to fill in my eyebrows like Etta's. Now I'm taking this brown mascara from Maybelline to tint my brows. It's better matched my platinum hair color. For blush, I went with this LA Colors blush, and I'm guessing this blush I picked out goes a long way because right now it looks like I am a clown or something like that, and I look kind of totally crazy. So I took a little bit of some foundation to try to blend it in a little bit better, so I look a little less crazy looking. Back in with the medium contour shade, I'm using it to contour my jawline to make my jawline sharper like Etta's. Now I'm going to blend in the contoured areas to make it less harsh looking. Using my Lorac Primer Mascara Duo, I'm going to be applying it to my lashes. At first, I wasn't sure if Etta had any false lashes on or anything like that, or maybe she just had mascara and that was it, but I could be wrong either way, so I'm just going to be coating my lashes with some mascara primer to bulk them up a little and then apply the mascara over it. For the lips, I did not know what to do. It looked like she had a pink lip or maybe a red lip or maybe a pinky red lip. So I mixed two lip stains together, a pink one and a red one, by applying the pink one on top first, and I dabbed the the red one in the center a little, and I also blended it out a little, and I kept on mixing until I got the right color I wanted it to be. And there's the complete Etta James inspired look. I hope you guys enjoyed my take on Etta James. You know, I know I obviously don't look like her or anything like that. And I thought I don't know if this was gonna be a good idea or not. But you got at least from this one person, I forgot the YouTube username. Said she liked my Rochelle makeup look that I did. What was that? A couple months ago, I think. Or maybe last month. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe. Comment below any other makeup tutorials you do, along with your favorite Etta James song. And so then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!